It's a problem that doctors don't even know why you get migraines. You've got triggers, but he's practically solved my problems through herbal medicine, which people find really hard to believe, but it does work. My name is Henna. I work in accounting. I'm here from Toronto, and I came last year to get my migraines fixed from Dr. Naram. So it's been about a year since I've been taking the medicine, almost a year, and I started noticing a difference. Actually, within 2 weeks in my body, I was feeling different, just more energy and everything like that. So following the diet plan and eating the medicines, following that, my migraines have been reduced, I would say, to like 95%. I've been suffering for them for 10 years at least, since before I was a teenager actually. So along with the headaches, you would have a lot of nausea, like food would just make me feel sick. I'd get like an upset stomach, certain smells, certain things would set me off even more, not as much anymore. I mean, I'm still sensitive to that, but I noticed a big difference in that, I'm not as sensitive to things. I feel better overall, I have more energy. I had very low energy before. So spring and fall would be very migraine intensive, so maybe like once a week at least, and then the other months maybe once a month or something like that. So I would get many, but it varies on the season. They were pretty intense as far as migraines go. So very strong pain on one side of the head, a lot of nausea, a lot of vomiting, a lot of light sensitivity to smell, sound, food, everything. And so the migraine would last however many 8 hours a day, and then I'd suffer for the rest of the week with other symptoms, and also the symptoms from taking prescription medicines as well, the after effects of those, which would leave me even more groggy. So yeah. Well, I've tried stuff like going to an acupuncturist, the chiropractor, any little tips and stuff you'd read in magazines, try a herbal this, try a herbal supplement of that. But I mean, things would help a little bit in severity, they wouldn't go away. And if I was, say, going to the acupuncturist, that it would be somewhat okay for a little bit, but then after that, if I'd stopped, or the frequency and the severity wouldn't reduce, it would like kind of plateau. So yeah, I mean, it was doing a little bit of something, but not really much at all. But coming to Dr. Naram, it's a problem that doctors don't even know why you get migraines. You've got triggers, but he's practically solved my problems through herbal medicine, which people find really hard to believe, but it does work. Everyone says I have a lot more energy, I'm not as sick, I'm not as down, I look better because I'm not as tired looking, stuff like that. I feel more alive, that's for sure. Say, if you've tried a lot of things, give it a try. It's not going to harm you. If you eat a few like plants and leaves and stuff in a pill form, it's not going to do you any harm. It's you're worse off taking prescription stuff as opposed to some natural remedy. And if it works, it's great, which it most likely will. I guarantee that it will work. But and if you don't like it, you don't have to do it. Just give it a try. It's worth it. Your health is always worth it, right? So it's worth spending some money on.
The suffering was so severe, we used to literally cry, when she got a migraine, and she go to the bed and vomit, throw up, and she's gone for 2 days. The third day she was okay. She missed so many exams, her university exams. So sometimes we have to bring her even from the exam, when she was writing exams, she had a migraine. So then I went a few times to pick her up from the school, So that was so this is such a great relief for us, And last 1 year, she's good, no problem. And following strictly doctor's diet, and awesome what Dr. Naram has did for us, and we're so thankful to him. Yeah, thank you, Dr. Naram, so much. We have, if we have not known you, we will. Hannah probably would be suffering still, the same thing what she has been suffering for the last 10 years. Thank you so much for what you have done for our family. We have been telling anyone we come across migraine or any other problem. We tell so many people, even I tell my colleagues and my friends, somebody suffering from blood pressure or cholesterol, but slowly I give them your website. If we can help few families, I'm sure people gonna praise us later on,
Absolutely.
At least people should try once, and give a chance to Dr. Naram and for themselves too, So I think the whole life will be changed. You're awesome. He's the best.
Oh yeah, totally, definitely. Thank you, Dr. Naram. I mean, I'm actually up and about and alive, and I feel good. So I'm very, very grateful. Thank you very much.